Hey guys, Kyle here with STILLEN, and today I'm excited to talk with you about the new TruControl by STILLEN Piggyback ECU for the Hyundai Elantra N. The Hyundai Elantra N is an absolutely fantastic platform. We're really excited to get started on this car. 276 horsepower out of a turbo 4-cylinder is an absolutely great starting point. And to make that car even more fun, the TruControl by STILLEN increases that horsepower by more than 50 horsepower. It's a simple plug-and-play installation, only takes about 15 minutes, and we're going to show you later in the video how to complete that install. The TruControl Piggyback ECU also comes with the ability to control the system through any smartphone using our Bluetooth integration. For now, let's get into the horsepower numbers and show you what the results are when you install the TruControl by STILLEN Piggyback ECU.
From the factory, the Hyundai Elantra N is rated at 276 flywheel horsepower. On our dyno, we saw a maximum wheel horsepower output of 234 horsepower at 5,700 RPM. This is about a 15% drivetrain loss. After installing our TruControl Piggyback ECU, the dyno reported back a maximum horsepower output of 279 horsepower at 6,100 RPM, making the wheel horsepower greater than the factory flywheel horsepower with an overall gain of more than 55 flywheel horsepower, which equates to a total engine output of 335 flywheel horsepower. Even greater gains come from the torque output. Maximum torque from the factory was measured at 243 foot-pounds of torque at 2,650 RPM. With the TruControl by STILLEN Piggyback ECU installed, our test Elantra N put down 294 foot-pounds of torque at 3,200 RPM. This is an increase of more than 50 foot-pounds of torque at the wheels.
With this TruControl Piggyback ECU, we've gained over 50 horsepower after a 15-minute plug-and-play installation.
So to start with, we're going to remove the engine cover and set that aside. And for the purposes of the video, I've gone ahead and already unbolted the factory air intake system. It's not really necessary, but it does help a little bit. Just access one of the sensors. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the air box. So all of the wiring comes labeled A, B, and C. But to start with, we're going to start with A, connects into the intake manifold map sensor. You're just going to set the factory sensor aside. And you want to note that these can be installed upside down. You want to make sure that the tab is aligned with the factory tang. So you're just going to click that on. And same thing on the factory harness. So this has a block on this side, and this side has more of like a shark fin. You're going to use the shark fin side. So it can be installed this way. This is incorrect. This is correct. So you got the shark fin tab going into the factory wiring harness connector, and connector B goes into the actual charge tube. So this is why I've removed the air box so you can see exactly what we're looking at. You're going to go into the charge tube and remove this connector. Again, you want to make sure that your connectors are oriented correctly. We're not going to use the oval block. We're going to use the shark fin. And that's going to connect in like that. And the jump harness is going to connect in on top. So connector C, you remove this connector, clip in to the jump harness. This one you can't go backwards. As you can see, I just essentially tried and it won't work. This one is only one direction. And then you connect into the factory sensor. The piggyback wiring harness is going to come with this jump box. This jump box is basically, in case you ever need to diagnose anything and you don't want to remove all the wiring harness, you can just remove the TruControl piggyback, plug in the jump box, and now you're stock. That's reconnecting all the wiring signals, and everything is 100% stock right now. So we're going to remove that, and we're going to replace it with the TruControl piggyback, and you're good to go. So that's all it takes to complete the installation on the Hyundai Elantra N. So with the ignition on, but the engine not running, or even with the engine running, it doesn't matter. You can go through and cycle through the different maps that you want. So with the Bluetooth application, you can select an eco map, or a normal driving mode map, or a sport map, and that will override what you select here. So if you want, say, map 5 or 6, which is going to be your sport map, you can then adjust it on your app on your phone, and say you want to switch it to an eco map, and that will switch it to a map 3. You don't have to come in, you don't need to open the hood, you don't need to do anything like that. Just do it all from the comfort of your home. Again, you can do it while you're driving, you can do it parked, it doesn't matter. You can control the piggyback from anywhere.
We do recommend that you order the additional spark plugs that we have listed on our website. These are an HKS high-performance spark plug. We have found during our testing that the OEM spark plugs are a little bit weak, and when we start adding more boost and more power, we do need to bump that performance up a bit. All right, so you've checked out all the horsepower increase, and you've seen what it takes to install this TruControl ECU. So what comes in the box when you place your order with STILLEN? Well, you're gonna get your direct plug-and-play wiring harness using all OEM connectors. You're gonna get the TruControl unit itself, and you're going to get the bypass module, so that if for any reason you need to remove or disconnect the TruControl piggyback, you simply plug this into the TruControl wiring harness and you're right back to factory specification. To control the piggyback ECU, you can either do it from the touch screen shown on the display, or you can use our Bluetooth application on any smartphone device.
From the home screen of your iPhone or Android phone, you're going to go to the App Store and type in Tuning:*Pro. You are looking for this application right here. I already have it downloaded on my phone, so we're just going to open it. Here you can see the different driving modes available. You can choose either race, sport, or eco depending on your desires at the time. These 3 options will be pre-programmed to suit your vehicle and modifications.
All right guys, well that's it from STILLEN for the TruControl piggyback ECU. Again, this is something that we're really excited about, and look for a whole list of new products coming from STILLEN for this amazing platform. If you have any questions about this product or any others that you'd like to see from us, send us an email to sales@stillen.com or give us a call at the numbers listed below. Check us out on all of our social media, Instagram, Facebook, you name it. We're there to support you and any questions you might have. Thanks very much and have a great day.